my god, look at my face right now. I put self-tanner on again yesterday. I kind of look like a surfer dude right now with my hair like this. But I put self-tanner on. I don't know why my face took it like so much, and I have this pimple. You know what? Maybe I'll put a little bit of makeup on, because if I'm gonna vlog today, I don't want to look at myself like this. If you know what I mean. But anyway, hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. I just decided to randomly vlog today. So, this is our room full of moving, because we move in 4 days. 4 days, guys. So, hope you're excited about that. Oops. Just put you right here. Sorry you can see all this stuff, but I'm just adding a tiny bit of makeup to my face because I look a little wacky right now. So yeah. And I have my camera thing right there. Sorry. Here, let's do that so you can fully see me. Not that it's the best angle or anything, but we'll just do that. Let's see here. This pimple that I had to extract last night. Yep. Like I always say, it's extracting. We don't pop here. But, yeah, so we're just kind of finalizing all of our moving stuff. I'll show you kind of what we've been up to in that regard, because I haven't vlogged for like a week or so. But, this is a little too light. No, look at it. Oh my god. What the F? Okay. Then I guess I'll use this one. Anyway, this is what I'm wearing too. Just like I haven't worn this in so long, but it's like my favorite thing to wear. I got it from a thrift store, and I'm telling you, sometimes you just need a big thermal to wear, you know? Because it's like, it has that peppered effect with the tanner. I feel like I look like a surfer with this hair. If you know what I'm talking about, I don't know, I think it's from a movie actually. But I need a phone tripod so I don't have to set you on the floor every time, but I'm not ordering anything until we move. Okay, is that good? Hopefully that's just good. Because I'm not putting like makeup on. I didn't want to, at least. Because I'll put this on. This is how I do my makeup, like this. Okay, anyway. Okay, whatever. That's a little bit better. At least you can not see my pimple. Anyway. Alrighty. So yeah, let me show you kind of where we're at. These are all of our moving boxes. Put some stuff in bags, but mostly all these boxes. And yes, we used a bunch of Jared's Yeezy boxes because I don't know why he saved them, but I guess they came in handy now. And then here's the corner still. We've just added a few things like that and that as well. And then we still have to finish the kitchen in there. And I patched some of these like holes last night. You can kind of see it. But like over here, I need to sand them down. Oh, there's that one and then there's that one. I sanded those two down, I think. But it's still like, I don't know why it has that color. Whatever, it's better than nothing. And same with this one. Can't even really see it, but yeah, we took all of the painting. We took all of like the paintings and everything down, and we're just finally getting everything done, and I'm so excited. But yeah, so I kind of just have to like work today, and then later tonight probably do some more of this stuff. Like here, I want to sand it. So that looks good. Oh my god, you can literally see how much of a mess it is back there. I'm sorry. But, so you can't see it anymore. Whatever, not like people can see it, because the people before us, they fricked some stuff up. But I just used this. Dry Decks. It's like a little kit. Wall repair patch kit that I was using for all of the holes that we put in the wall. In case you're wondering. But yeah. So now, what do I want? I kind of like want a coffee. Oh wait, let me turn those lights off. Because I am not a light lever-runner. That annoys me. But my mom got, look, oh my god. My mom got us this cute every bunny welcome sign for Easter. adorable, just adorable. But let's see what we want. Everything is just a mess, and I really can't handle it. I hate when the house is like messy, but there's like literally nothing that I can do because it's just moving stuff. And nothing has a place right now, except for in boxes and random spots, because we're just like piling things together. Because, yeah. So that's just kind of how it is. But whatever. I don't think I'm gonna make. I don't know what I want. Head to my toes, that you wish that it go. Fresh and cool, just what I do. You guys want me to teach you? I know some TikTok dances now. I know savage. I'm a savage. Nasty. Acting stupid. Nope, that's not for. I don't know. That wasn't us. That was embarrassing. I just said that I knew how to do it, and I don't. But what's the other one? There's another one called that Noah Schnapp made. It's like I did it. Crap, I can't remember. I need to hear the song in my head to able to remember. So I can't remember the song right now. But you know what I mean. If you watch TikTok, or you don't. But that's okay too. I actually don't know if I want anything right now. I have ice water. I have ice water out there, and I think that's probably good for me right now. I just want to drink some ice water, and I'm going to get to work, and then I'll fill you in whenever I'm doing something interesting, because I know I will be packing more today. But look at these birds. I always see the birds that have, like, the orange stomachs. You see, because those are different birds, I think. Oh, whoops. Sorry, those are different birds. But that is a bird with an orange stomach, which I always see over here. Everywhere I go, I see them. I just think that's interesting, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna sit down and do some work because I'm a little behind today. I've just been tired. That's all. I've just been so tired this past couple days, especially because it's like really gloomy out, which does not help. Look, I don't have my gallery wall up anymore. Took it down. I have to fill all these holes too, but doesn't it look so different? Everything looks so different. Let me know if you want like a empty house tour, because this is a house that we're renting right now. And if you're interested, I would love to do it even just for like my sake to have in the future, to remember this house, because we're moving to a house that we bought. So, yeah, I thought it might be fun. I don't know. Look at I can't believe my tan like developed this much overnight. After you wash it off, it like keeps developing. This is like the Target $20 tan too. I'm really impressed with it. I mean, I didn't do it right on my face, so that's why it looked all splotchy, but whatever. Anyway, yeah. Alright, hey guys, it's a few hours later. I'm making myself food. And, I'm actually just making like my normal. This is the first thing I'm eating today. It's like this is a cucumber salad. So that's what I'm doing. But I just was thinking, and I was like, you know what? I just thought of. I was like, okay. Anyway, I was just thinking like, how weird. I had a dream that I went grocery shopping. I'm pretty sure it was a dream because I was just thinking like, thought I got this, this, and this. I was like, wait a second. I think that was a dream that I had. Oh my God, look at my hand. But I just think that's funny. That's not the state I'm in, as you can tell. I'm dreaming about going grocery shopping because honestly, it makes me nervous to go because I get so stressed out because it's just crazy. It's just crazy. It like, I think puts things into reality rather than staying home. Just pretend nothing. You can stay ignorant, basically, is what I meant. Because at my grocery store, they have it so where, like, it's one-way shopping, basically. You can only go down an aisle, like, once. And stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm just adding some ranch to it. And this is going to be, like, it's one. So this is going to be, like, my brunch. Just a little salady snack. Because I have this full cucumber and I need to eat it before it goes bad. Just trying to mix it up. All right, now I'm in the office, which that's all packed, but everything else is very spick and span besides all the boxes that are in here. But now I have to, oops, to print my shipping labels. So that's what I'm doing right now. Because I have I've been doing mystery boxes for resellers. So if you're a reseller, let me know. I have some mystery boxes that I want to get rid of. Well, this will be out probably too late, but before I move my inventory, I was trying to clear it out. So let's see here. Let's go to Poshmark. If you're interested, I have a Poshmark, really cute clothes. The name is everyyything. I'll link it down below, but yeah. So this is what I do. I go to my sales, and then I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 to do. So that's just what we're gonna do today.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what?
Okay. So here are all my shipping labels. I can't show you the other side, obviously, but these are all of them, and I have to ship all of these now. So I'll just show you kind of what I'm packaging. I did this in the last vlog, and I thought it was kind of interesting, so I'm just gonna start showing you it because that's part of my day. So my inventory is in this closet right here, so I kind of have everything opened up, and then I look, and I don't get to see the flyers or anything, but yeah, I can just see the item and grab it really quick, scroll up and down if I need to.
I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want?
Okay, so now these are all the things that I picked out of my inventory that I want to be in inventory boxes. So I'm gonna count those and see how many more I can list while picking out 6 items each for the 3 ones that I already sold. So that's what I'm gonna do now, really quickly.
I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me.
Okay, so I cleaned it all up. Now I have to take those to the post office, and then these are the items, or the mystery boxes that I'm gonna have left, so 4 more. And yeah. Alright guys, I'm sending you there. But I'm on my way right now to the post office. I have all of my packages sitting here. And this is my big whoop for the day. I get to go out because I don't think we're even going to get to walk today because it's just gross out. It's so windy. There's like a wind warning. A wind warning. I'm at a red light now. But there's a wind warning, and so it's really windy out. It's crazy that gas stations have even closed from that. I feel like that's it's just crazy. It's my big my big thrill for the day. Whatever. It's probably better because then I can get my work stuff done and packing stuff done. So it's probably better that the weather's not as nice, because when it's nice we want to go out and walk and have bonfires. That's what we did last night. We had a bonfire. Because it's one of the last ones we can do in this house, and then yeah, so we're just kind of trying to enjoy ourselves as much as possible. So anyway, alright, now I'm cleaning my oven out. That's one of the things on the list I needed to do, is clean the oven again once more before we moved. So that's what I'm doing. I sprayed it down with this. I've never used it before, but I got it from Home Depot when we were there randomly. It's like the Easy Off, no fume, or fume-free oven cleaner. It smells really good and it seems to work really well. I just wiped one area of it. The oven is really gross. I haven't cleaned it in a while, so yeah, doing that right now. And then now it's 5, so the day is flying by, and I keep touching this pimple, so excuse that, but we'll just try to ignore that, hopefully.
Okay with me, okay, and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, okay with me. Okay,
Get like that.
start to wonder if I should change my mind.
Why does everybody need me to stay on it? Everything.
Guess what I'm making today? It's the next day, guys, sorry. Jared's vacuuming the couch, but this is what I'm making now. Some pancakes, because Jared's gonna help his brother move the couch out of our house into his house. So I'm just gonna make him some pancakes. And because we have it, so why not? It's fun times. And we're just like having a day. It's nice and sunny out. It's a good day, I hope you're having a good day.
But when I think back to you, I feel the same every time. 'Cause I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. But I have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. Okay, okay.
If you guys are looking for a good sugar-free syrup, this is it. Let me show you. These are the stats on it. 20 calories, 8 carbs, and no grams of sugar. But it's actually really good. Some of them taste really bad, but this is one that I actually like. So having that, and then that's his stack. Okay, we're making moves. This is the couch right now, getting ready to go, and then I have to wipe those off. But we love this thing. I just wanted to show you guys. We got some markings on it, but this is actually from Kirkland's, and I don't know. We think it's really cute. And then this is from where's that from? Bed Bath & Beyond online. We got it delivered, so you don't have to carry it. They drop it off in front of your house. I mean, you have to carry it in, but you don't have to like lug it in a car. You know what I mean? So. Thought I'd mention those two because those are like my personal favorite 2 pieces of furniture we have. Otherwise, everything else does not look how it usually has looked, so. Okay, so I think I was just cleaning. I was vacuuming the couch in that last clip, but now I think I might just end the vlog here for the day because I'm gonna upload this today, and I think I might continue to vlog for the next few days if you guys are interested, because it's gonna be harder to do other videos obviously while I move. So that's what I was thinking. I could get some like moving vlogs in, like of actually moving and preparing and stuff, and then once we actually like start moving, like with the U-Haul and stuff. So I figured that's what I might do. Let me know that works for you. I'm also gonna try to pre-film some stuff to get up, but yeah, for right now the vlogs are it, and I really like vlogging, so I hope you guys do too. Subscribe to my channel if you do like those videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.